Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Smart Data Learners. We are starting our new tutorial relating to SQL for data analysis. And in this tutorial, we will cover a variety of statements and the functions of the SQL language and different aspects of the SQL language relating to the data analysis. So the database we are using for this tutorial will be that is basically Microsoft provides a sample database named as AdventureWorks. We are using the 2019 version, which contains comprehensive sales and customer data for fictional cycling company AdventureWorks Cycles. This database is widely used by SQL learners of all levels to practice and enhance their skills. It offers a rich set of tables covering various business operations and sales, products, customers, and all that. So we will be using this database for this tutorial. So what will be covered? As already mentioned, our primary goal is to cover SQL language in relation to data analysis. So what is SQL language? SQL or structured query language is a language designed for interacting with databases. It allows you to retrieve specific data and create intricate reports. Today, SQL is the standard language for data manipulation and is used nearly all technologies that handle data. So let's start. So first we will go to the Microsoft SQL Server, and SQL Server basically we already have opened, but let me show you what we will be using here. So it's Microsoft SQL Server Tools and then SQL Server Management Studio. So we are right now in the Management Studio. And our database here is AdventureWorks 2019. So you can download SQL Server Developer Edition. I will make a video for that as well, and also how to have this database. It's on the Microsoft website. If you search, you will be able to find that. So let's start. So we are in the AdventureWorks data warehouse. So let's go to our tutorial page. So number one, the basic SQL statement is select. Select basically retrieve the data. It's basically extract the data from database. It's a basic statement, and it uses the keyword select. And let's take this, copy this statement, and I will explain into our SQL Server. Let's create a new query. And we'll copy paste here. So what we are doing is select, and this is our database, and we're using basically we select dim product dot product key, dim product dot English product name from dim products, dimension products. So these are the tables, all of these tables. So we are using for this table, and from this table dim product we are using product key, and product dot English name. That is the English name. So let me write it again, the same statement. Select dim dot product dim product dot product key dim product dot engl English name, and then it asks from the dim product. So we'll write down dim product is our table. This is the name of the table and these are the columns. So we are extracting from the dim product these two columns. DIM dim. Okay. So when we run this, we will select this. So this is basically we are in a SQL server. The statement we want to run, we just have to select and then go there and execute it. Right? Here we have the result. It's a product key, English product name. These are the products. So basically, it's a very basic statement. We have started just from the step one is a select. Select from this is the table name, and then we always use the table name here, and then dot, and then product key is the column, then comma, then dim product dot English description, and then from dim product. Okay, and when we run that, and if we go to the messages, it's 606 rows affected, completely times this. So these are these almost 606 rows. Let's see how many rows are. You see there are 606 rows of the products. So that is our first SQL statement. Now let's go. What's the next? Next, in the next statement, we will concatenate, or we want to see both the name and the description together, so that we will have the full description of the products. So it means like product name and the product description. So we'll write down this query. Let's take this query here and I will explain in our SQL query pane. Just remove that and oh, we didn't write the select. Select, okay. So here we are, what we are doing here is we are using the same column, the same table, product table, and then we are selecting the product name, English product name, and then we are combining it with this is a plus sign, and then we have these two. We want to show that there is a dash between the name and the product description. Tim dot English product description, as product and description will be the name of the column from dim products, where dim dot product name is not null and means that there should be a name over there and also the description also there. Both of these should be present, then we will have this result. So let's run that. See, we have that together. We have the name of the product, then we have the dash, plus it joins that the dash, and then we have the detail of this product. For example, we can use, instead of dash, we can use any other character. Like let's say we'll use and. Let's run that. You see now it shows, instead of dash, it shows HL product and our and now it it combines these two columns with this sign. So whichever sign you will use, it will appear here. Okay. So that is the function we use, concatenate. This is called a concatenate function. Okay. So that is the second function. Today we will cover 5 functions in this tutorial, and then we will wrap up our this tutorial for today. So first we select the statement, then we concatenate 2 columns. Let's say, for example, let's say if we are not combine these two together, let's cut this and comma. You see now these are 2 different columns because we have separated we have removed the concatenation function between them. So this is a product and description. And this is the English product name. Let's go back and place this here. Okay. So that's now let's move to the next one. Now here we will select the products with the prices above $20. Hmm? And here we will use select dim product dot English product name. It's the same column, same 2 columns, and then where clause is not null and not null, and product dealer price is greater than 20. So let's go look into the data. You see we have the columns product English name, and then we have a column English description, and then we have a column